Ahoy! What I know from conducting hundreds of swiftwater, river, and flood rescues and recoveries, especially with the recreational public, is if you don't get their paddle, their kayak, and their stuff, it's really very hard to work with them. So what we like to do is practice getting all their gear, multitasking, 3 points of contact, keep moving, keep thinking. This poor guy here had a hook go through his toe, and as you can see, his determination is he does not want to lose his fishing pole. The reason being is he plans on getting back on that river and continuing his float downstream. So, I think it's really important to think like these people and then act like the responder. Act like the responder, think like the survivor or the person that you're helping out. Because not all of these are actually rescues. You're just assisting people. They're not in a situation where they're going to lose their life. But this guy got his pole. He's going to get back on the river. He's going to catch fish. He's going to go home and have a great story.